Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our online class of Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor Biology, Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. And today we will discuss some important MCQ from Chapter 10. Chapter 10 is Coordination, and my 1 to 9 lecture is previous Chapter 9. Today is Chapter 10. So be attentive. All of the students be attentive. First one, which one is a postulated hormone? Okay. First one, which one is postulated? Postulated hormone. Okay, here postulated hormone is varnalin. Okay, your answer will be varnalin. Varnalin and florizin. Okay, florizin. Postulated hormone is that type of hormone that is not identified from plants. Okay, this type of hormone known as postulated hormone. Then which plant need daily average 12 to 16 hours photoperiod? Okay, lettuce. Which plant need need daily average 12 to 16 hours photoperiod. Okay, hours photoperiod, period. You know, this type of plant is known as long day plant. Okay, long day plant, and your answer will be lettuce and jhinga. Okay, lettuce, 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 jhinga. Okay, jhinga. These are long day plants. Okay, because 12 to 16 hours photoperiod daily needed lettuce and jhinga. What deficiency does cause Parkinson? What deficiency does cause Parkinson? What deficiency does cause Parkinson? You know, this is dopamine. Your answer will be dopamine, MINE, dopamine. Another question will be Parkinson is which deficiency Parkinson occurs? That is dopamine. Okay. Then controlled by which part of brain? Kobir's reading book is controlled by Kobir's read. Kobe reads with sound. His reading book is controlled by which part of the brain? ঠিক আছে, Kobe's reading is controlled TROLLED, controlled by brain part is cerebrum, CEREBRUM. M. Okay, cerebrum. Then Kobe's reading is controlled by cerebrum. In which gland is goiter formed? In which gland? This is thyroid, you know. In which gland is goiters formed? In which gland? In which gland is goiters formed? Okay, FORMED. Goiter formed. In which gland is goiters formed? This is thyroid. Thyroid. This is known as thyroid. In which gland is goiters formed? This is thyroid. Which hormone increases the rate of respiration? Which hormone? Which hormone increases the rate of which hormone increases the rate of respiration? Okay, respiration. Which hormone? You know which hormone increases? This is oxygen. Your answer will be oxygen. Oxygen hormone increases the rate of respiration in plants. Okay. Which one is a day neutral plant? Day neutral plant is you know, sunflower and cucumber. Okay, cucumber and sunflower is day neutral plant. Cucumber and sunflower. A liquid neurohormone is present in which part of neuron? Neurohormone presence neurohumor presence in neuron which part? In synapse. Okay, in synapse. SYNAPSE. Okay, in synapse. Neurohumor presence in neuron which part? In synapse. Okay, in synapse you can see neuron. Which one is responsible for overgrowth of stem? Which is responsible for overgrowth? Overgrowth of stem. Overgrowth of stem. Your answer will be gibberellin. Gibberellin. Okay, your answer will be gibberellin. Which is responsible for overgrowth of stem? This is gibberellin. Then, which branch of biology deals with hormone? You know, this is endocrinology. Okay, hormone deals with the branch that is endocrinology. Which is produced in a leaf? Which is produced, produced, produce in a leaf one kind of hormone that is known as florizin. Okay, florizin. Okay, which is produced in a leaf that is florizin. Then which is the hormone selected from pituitary glands? Pituitary glands somatotropic. Okay, here which disease affected if the cell to produce dopamine is destroyed? Another question. So your answer will be Parkinson. Parkinson. Which one of the following is related to endocrinology? Endocrinology related with hormone. Okay, functions of cerebellum is control muscle stress. Functions of cerebellum is function of cerebellum double LUM. Function of cerebellum is, your answer will be control muscle stress. Control muscles MUSCLE stress STRESS. Okay, control muscles stress. Function of cerebellum is control muscle stress. Okay, then number 12, which is the place where florizin is produced? Another question. So your answer will be leaf. Which disease is prevented by Hilsa fish? Which disease is prevented by Hilsa fish? Your answer will be goiter. Okay, which disease is prevented by Hilsa fish? That is goiter. Which one is the example of postulated hormone? Then your answer will be florizin. What is the name of the teeny gap between the two neurons of axon and dendrite? You know, this is known as synapse. In which plant daily photoperiod of 8 to 12 hours is required for following? You know, that is dahlia and chandramallika. Okay, 8 to 12 hours photoperiod is needed. 8 to 12 hours photoperiods is need dahlia, that means short day plant. Okay, so your answer will be dahlia and chrysanthemum, garland chrysanthemum. Okay, garland chrysanthemum, CHRYSAN chrysanthemum MUM. Dahlia and chrysanthemum. Then which part of brain controls the activity of voluntary muscle? Which part of brain control activities of voluntary muscle? That is cerebrum. Okay, main cerebrum. Which part of brain control? Which part of brain? Which part of brain? Which part of brain controls of voluntary muscle? Voluntary muscle MUSCLE. Voluntary muscle. that is your will be cerebellum. Cerebrum, B-R-U-M. Your answer will be cerebrum. Okay. Then another question, 14. Which one plays a role in producing fruit without seeds? Without seeds. Which one plays? Which one plays a role in producing fruits, fruits, fruits without seeds. Okay, without seeds. Produce without seeds. Your answer will be auxin. AUXIN. Your answer will be auxin. Producing. Which one plays a role in producing fruits without seeds? Without seeds, you know, this is the name of auxin hormone. Parkinson disease occurs due to lack of which of the following? Parkinson, so lacking of dopamine. Okay, repeat question. Which one is the smallest gland in human body? Okay, which one is smallest gland? Which is smallest? Which is the smallest gland in human body? Human body. You know, the smallest gland is known as pituitary. Pituitary. Okay. This is pituitary. Smallest gland is pituitary. Then, which hormone helps in flowering in plant? That is florizin. Florizin also help in flowering. Which one is a short day plant? Short day plant is dahlia, you know. Which hormone play a role for break of dormancy of seeds and organs? Dormancy and seeds of organ, that is known as cytokinesis. Okay, which hormone is used to control insect? Which hormone is used to control insect? SECT. This is pheromone. Your answer will be pheromone. Which is used to produce seedless fruits? That is also gibberellin. How many couples of spinal cord? These are 31 pairs. Okay. How many pairs of cranial? This is 12. In which one of the following movement of location is seen? See, zoospore. Which one is formed by a bundle of nerve fibers? That is pons. Which substance is secreted by nerve cell helping in muscular movement? Dopamine. Which one helps to relieve from mental pressure? That is another important. Which one helps to relieve, relieve from mental pressure? From mental pressure. double SURE, mental pressure, that is known as adrenaline, adrenaline. And what part of the brain is the largest part? The name of the largest part, name of the largest part of brain, name of the largest part of brain, that is known as cerebrum. Cerebrum, largest part. When was the Drug Control Authority established? In 1990, okay, 1990. Which hormone helps in growth of brain? That is testosterone. Okay, so these are some important MCQ from chapter 10. See you later. Till then, Allah Hafiz.